Hello everyone. Today I'm going to walk you through migrating your WordPress site over to Laravel. And the best part? You don't need to write a single line of code. All we need is the Waravel package and its fantastic plugin, WordPress Importer. Let's get into it. So this is the WordPress site I'll be using for this demo. Let me quickly run you through what's on it. We've got one post, one tag, and 6 pages, some of which are nested under each other in a parent-child hierarchy. So the big question is, can we move all of this over to Laravel cleanly, with the structure fully intact? Let's find out. And of course, beyond just the migration itself, moving to Laravel means you're stepping up your game in terms of security, performance, and long-term stability. Now here's the Laravel site I've got ready with Waravel already installed. If you've been following along with our previous videos, this should look familiar. If you're starting fresh and haven't set things up yet, no worries. We have a Get Started video right here on the channel that'll get you up and running. Once you're all set, come back and we'll pick things up from here. Right now, this site is a blank slate. No pages,